Water as a breathing for our life.
In every step of our life, we need water. So let's save our water with
Ecoman Team.
With me, Saniyyah, Putri, Hermawan, and my partner.
I'm Jepri Albukhori.
We are coming from SMA Negeri Sumatera Selatan.
Water is a source of life, and every living creatures definitely need water. Water quality must be maintained for the sustainability of human life and the natural surroundings. Meanwhile, in the reality, water quality and sanitation are included into the SDGs point, which is SDGs point number 6, namely clean water and sanitation. To reach this point, the country is trying to improve the water quality and sanitation. This effort consists of access to the adequate drinking water, access to the adequate sanitation, water and waste quality, as well as the utilization, management, and conservation of water resources.
Calcium hypochlorite or chlorine is a type of disinfectant, commonly is used for swimming pool water. Chlorine is a chemical product that has many negative impact to our environment globally. Chlorine, used as a disinfectant, will react organic compounds and produce the chloramine. Not only that, this reaction also can produce the toxin compound and can cause carcinogenic effect on human health.
Apart from the chlorine gas that can impact into our environment, we also have one more problem, which is methane gas. The low level of processing the organic waste can cause the number of methane gas is increasing. The unpleasant smell that produced by the methane gas is not only one of the problem, but the increasing of the number of greenhouse gases is also one of big problem for our global warming. But unfortunately, even though there are many problems related about methane gas, there are some community that has been taking an action to decrease the number of methane gas through the utilization of organic waste become ecoenzyme.
To solve the problem, because high pollution of methane gas and chlorine gas.
So, as the researcher, we innovated to create a water purification product that more environmentally friendly for our environment that can reduce the percentage of chlorine and also methane gas. And we would like to invite you in our research with the title
Achieving SDGs, Clean Water and Sanitation through the utilization of ecoenzyme and guava leaf as a raw material in making environmentally friendly organic chlorine. Here are our research objectives. For the first is the process making organic chlorines from ecoenzyme and extract guava leaves. For the second one is the effectiveness of organic chlorines against the water purification. And the third one is the effectiveness of organic chlorines to the bacteria growth.
Guava leaf contains of flavonoid, eugenol, tannins, and terpenoids which have antibacterial effect. From the result of observation, it was found that the number of bacterial colony decreased along the increasing concentration of guava leaf extract. Ecoenzyme is a solution of complex organic substance which produced from the fermentation process of organic waste, sugar, and water. Ecoenzyme is acidic with a pH value less than 4. The result of ecoenzyme can be used for cleaning solutions such as washing dishes, mopping, cleaning bathroom, cleaning pool, or even hand sanitizer. And these are our research method. The extraction process of guava leaves with ethanol. These are the process of making organic chlorine from the ecoenzyme and guava leaf extract. First, mix the ecoenzyme and guava leaf extract into the several samples. Secondly, add the NaOH based on the sample comparison, and the temperature will reach 60 until 70 degrees Celsius, and then let it stand for a moment before mix it with the other ingredient. Third, mix the 5 ml of coconut oil and then stir it until evenly mixed and reach the trace condition. And after that, pour the mixture into the mold and leave it 24 hours until it can be used. And after hardening, remove the sample from the mold, and finally, the organic chlorine based on the ecoenzyme and guava leaf extract are ready to be used. To make sure the quality of our product and the effect into the water, we did several tests about the requirement of water quality, including the physical, chemical, and the biological. This is the several tests that we did: turbidity, smell, its temperature, color, pH, the number of TSD, total plate number, and the dissolved oxygen. Here are the physical properties of product. The concentration of ecoenzyme and guava leaf extract will affect into the color and smell of product. More concentration will make the color darker and pungent smell, and vice versa. Here are the product resistance analyzed. After 7 days, the active ingredients will evaporate and decrease the effectiveness of organic chlorine. The evaporation also will decrease the water and make the mass of product also decrease and easy to crack. The best dose for organic chlorine is 1 pill for 5 liters water. This dose is better because it has more efficiency of time process. Here are the physical properties of water. Addition of organic chlorine able to purify the water and separate the suspension in order to change the color to be colorless. It's also able to remove the unpleasant smell in the water. And for the chemical properties of the water, even though the ecoenzyme is acidic but is not affecting to the pH of water, and then the total DO doesn't meet with the standard because several factors such as the process when take the water and the cover of the water itself. Here are the biological properties of water. The total coliform in the water doesn't meet with the standard, but the total of coliform is decreased from the pure water without organic chlorine. It needs more variation of sample to kill all the coliform completely.
So, from the result of our research, we can conclude that ecoenzyme and also guava leaf extract can be a raw material for making organic chlorine.
Here are some points that we can conclude. First is organic chlorine is a product that have maximum shelf life is less than 7 days. For the second one is the best dose of organic chlorine is 1 pill for 5 liters water. And the third one is organic chlorine are able to purify the water and separate the suspension in the water evenly. And the fourth one is organic chlorine can reduce the unpleasant smell in the water. And the fifth one is organic chlorine is made from ecoenzyme that is really acidic but is not affect to the pH of the water. And the sixth one is organic chlorines can decrease the number of coliform in the water, but it's not kill it completely because we need more variation of the concentration.
Here are the points of sustainability, potential, and also the benefit from our research. The first one is readily available and also economical raw materials. The second one is to reduce the emission of chlorine gas and also methane gas, and also to reduce the number of organic waste in our environment. The third one is able to benefit for human and also our environment. The fourth one is as an effort to achieve the SDGs number 6, clean water and sanitation. And then the last one is as a sustainable benefit, especially for human water needs. That's all our explanation from our research.
We are so sorry for our mistake
and please support us in Final ISPO 2024.